Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. Last week we shared a transmission talk about how a vehicle health report can catch early signs of transmission issues. So if you missed that one, definitely go check it out. Today we're talking about something super important to keep your car healthy year-round: how often you should schedule a vehicle health inspection and why it matters. Let's jump right in.
How often should I get a vehicle health inspection for my car?
Great question. We recommend having a vehicle health inspection performed with every service, or about every 6 months.
Every 6 months? That feels pretty frequent. Why so often?
Think of it as a wellness visit for your car. Getting an inspection performed twice a year helps you prevent issues with your car, especially with Pennsylvania's changing weather. It's one of the easiest ways to prevent major failures with your vehicle.
So what exactly happens during a vehicle health inspection?
It's a complete maintenance and safety check of your vehicle. We inspect key systems such as brakes, tires, fluids, filters, hoses, steering, and suspension, and also your battery. Afterwards, you'll receive a vehicle health report showing all the items that are in great shape with your vehicle and things that need your immediate attention.
Is that the one with all the different color codes?
Exactly. Green are all the great things going on with your vehicle. Yellow means it's things we're going to monitor and take a look at your next service. And red means it needs your immediate attention today.
Okay, so what's the real benefit of doing that twice a year?
A lot, actually. In Berks County, our roads, weather swings, and extreme use of salt can wear down parts faster. Checking things like your fluids, your brakes, and your battery every 6 months helps your vehicle run better and longer, and helps avoid unexpected breakdowns.
How long does it take?
It usually takes a little less than an hour. You're more than welcome to wait in the waiting room, or you can utilize our pickup and drop-off service for your vehicle. Once the inspection is complete, we'll send your vehicle health report directly to your phone for your review.
And how much does it cost?
It's completely free at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. No pressure. Just honest information about your car's condition.
If something needs to be fixed, do I have to fix it right then and there?
Not at all. The report just shows you the green, the yellow, and the red sections so you can decide what's important to have repair on your car today, or things that can wait for the next service.
Are there any reasons that I should get a vehicle health inspection more frequently than every 6 months?
Good question. You'll want to schedule one before a road trip to avoid surprises on the highway, after winter or summer, because those extreme temperatures can affect a lot of different systems on your vehicle. Is your check engine light on? That's a great time to have a vehicle health report performed on your vehicle. We'll actually scan your check engine light at no cost to you and let you know the direction for any testing that might be needed. If you're buying a used car, we'll do a similar inspection on your vehicle, but we call it a pre-purchase inspection. And that pre-purchase inspection can save you thousands on repair, making sure you're buying a quality car before you purchase it.
So it's more of a preventative thing than a repair thing.
Exactly. It's all about catching problems early, saving you time, money, and headaches later. Preventative maintenance is the best investment that you can make in your vehicle.
Makes total sense. I'll schedule mine soon.
Awesome, because at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we just don't fix cars. We keep you confidently on the road.
If you're due for your vehicle health inspection, stop by at one of our Berks County locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. We are diving into the world of dashboard lights just in time for December, because nothing says Christmas like glowing warning lights on your dash. See you next week.